So let's start today with what CFA program is all about. And I'll brief you on the structures as per 2024. 2024 has seen a lot of new changes coming in CFA L1 and L2 category. 25, hopefully, as per the CFA Institute, we'll have more changes coming on L3. So first, let's start with the introduction of the program, what CFA program is all about. If you guys are aware of it, just bear with me. If you're not, then I'll try to put some more views running into it. So how does this entire thing started? They started in 1962, and it was predicted as a graduate level program. And program exams are administrated, and the entire syllabus and curriculum is done by CFAinstitute.org, which is a body based out of US. And over a period of time, this program has become a benchmark for all investment banking professionals who are into investment banking or managing finances. Let's straight away dive into the program levels. The program is divided into three levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3. So I normally say that program has three stops. One, clearing your exams, which is all three levels, 1, 2, and 3. Second, getting your charter, and then becoming a CFA member. So all three of them have their own requirements. When we talk about the three exams, where they are level 1, level 2, and level 3, I'll talk about their qualification requirements and everything going forward. Then once you clear all three levels, you will be eligible to apply for the charter. But the charter comes with a condition. You need to have a work-ex of 4,000 hours spread over 3 years, continuous 3 years. Then to become a CFA member, you will have to provide professional reference, which is your colleagues or your bosses or education, 2 to 3 reference letters, along with the job descriptions that you have done, whatever work that you have done, well documented, which basically means you have to put them in a proper structure. And then you have to talk about the qualifying. Not exactly in the beginning, but they can anytime ask you for the proof. So you should put whatever is genuinely running. Nothing should be there which you don't have a proofs running in from the beginning itself. And that is what you will learn in level 1, ethics, level 1 and 2. So you have to follow the ethical standards. And CFA has a right to cancel any of these memberships any given point in time. Now they also started putting, if you happen to go to their website, they have started putting places where they have disqualified members for misconduct. So if there is anything when you're filling up L1 form, most of you would not have filled your L1. But when you're going to fill up your L1 application, it asks you for the declarations also. Declaration in the sense, have you been ever been acquitted for any financial crimes, or your company was acquitted to financial crime, anything like that, they'll ask you questions. They set up around 10 questions, if I'm not wrong. And you have to go through them. Yes, no, normally, yes, no, they're not asking you for description. Only when the answer is no, they'll ask you for a description. So you have to be very, very careful while you're filling it up. Read the questions properly and then start filling it up, because they are very, very strong on the ethical standards. The ethical standards are so strong that good Ivy Leagues have started following their ethical standards as a part of their curriculum also. So you should be very careful while you're working it. And ethics is something that has a very high weightage in 1 and 2, and you should learn that. So as you rightly asked, do we need to have? Yes, you should have. Now, coming to the roadmap to a charter, this entire discussion is about L1 and the changes in 2004, but I'll walk you through the levels. So first, the eligibility, I'll discuss this in detail for L1. I'm just walking you through how it happens. You enroll, you have level 1 exam happening 4 times in a year. There is a slot which opens, you have to book your slot and time and go for the exam. Level 2 happens 3 times, May, August, and November, and level 3 in Feb and August.
These are 10.
These are 10 months. Dates you decide at the time of enrolling.
Eligibility, we have to change it second year of bachelor degree or?
No, I'll go through the entire part. I'll take you through the